Now relax and listen carefully. Welcome to Miss Lucy English Channel. This is an easy English story for listening practice. You do not need to understand every word. You do not need to stop or repeat now. Just listen calmly and enjoy the story. Today's story is about a simple place. It is about a supermarket. The main character is Lucy. This is a calm and easy story. Let us begin. Lucy wakes up in the morning feeling calm. She has a simple plan for the day. She needs to go to the supermarket. Her fridge is almost empty. She needs food for the week. Lucy eats breakfast slowly. She drinks a warm cup of tea. She looks at her kitchen and thinks. She needs fruit. She needs vegetables. She needs bread. She needs milk and eggs. Lucy likes to plan before shopping. She takes a small notebook. She writes a short shopping list. She writes simple words: apples, bananas, tomatoes, bread, milk, eggs, rice. Lucy smiles. She likes simple lists. Simple lists make shopping easy. Lucy puts on her jacket and shoes. She takes her bag. She leaves her house. The air outside is fresh. The street is quiet. People are walking slowly. Lucy walks to the supermarket. It is not far from her home. She likes walking. Walking helps her feel relaxed. She looks at the sky. The weather is nice. After a short walk, Lucy arrives at the supermarket. The building is big. The doors open automatically. Lucy walks inside. The supermarket is bright. There are many lights. There are many people. Some people push shopping carts. Some people carry baskets. Lucy takes a shopping cart. The cart makes a soft sound as she walks. She looks around. There are many shelves. There are many colors. Lucy likes supermarkets. She likes looking at food. She likes choosing fresh things. She moves slowly down the first aisle. The first section is fruit and vegetables. Lucy sees apples, red apples, green apples. She picks up a red apple. She looks at it. It looks fresh. Lucy puts apples in her cart. She takes bananas. The bananas are yellow. She takes tomatoes. They are red and round. Lucy checks her list. Apples, bananas, tomatoes. Good. She feels happy. Lucy continues walking. She sees carrots. She sees potatoes. She sees onions. She does not need them today. She keeps walking. Lucy enjoys walking slowly. She does not rush. She likes calm shopping. Next, Lucy goes to the bread section. She smells fresh bread. She sees white bread. She sees brown bread. She chooses brown bread. Lucy puts bread in her cart. She checks her list again. Bread. Good. Lucy walks to the dairy section. It is cold here. She feels the cool air. She takes milk from the shelf. She takes eggs carefully. Lucy is careful with eggs. She does not want them to break. She puts them gently in her cart. Lucy looks at her list again. Milk, eggs. Good. Lucy feels proud. She is doing well. Shopping is easy today. Lucy walks to the rice and pasta aisle. There are many bags of rice. Big bags, small bags. Lucy chooses a small bag. Lucy puts rice in her cart. She checks her list one more time. Everything is there. Now Lucy walks around slowly. She looks at other things. She sees cookies. She sees chocolate. She smiles. Lucy thinks for a moment. Should I buy cookies? She decides yes. Just a small pack. Lucy puts cookies in her cart. She feels happy. Small treats are nice. Lucy walks to the drinks section. She looks at juice. She looks at water. She does not need drinks today. She moves on. Lucy goes to the checkout area. There are lines. Some lines are long. Some lines are short. Lucy chooses a short line. She waits calmly. She looks at her phone. She does not rush. The cashier smiles at Lucy. Lucy smiles back. The cashier says hello. Lucy says hello too. The cashier scans the items. Beep, beep, beep. Lucy listens to the sounds. She feels relaxed. The cashier tells Lucy the total price. Lucy pays. She takes her receipt. Lucy puts her groceries in her bag. She thanks the cashier. The cashier smiles again. Lucy leaves the supermarket. The doors open. She steps outside. Lucy feels good. She bought everything she needed. She did not forget anything. Lucy walks home slowly. The bag is a little heavy, but she does not mind. She feels satisfied. On the way home, Lucy thinks. Shopping is part of daily life. Shopping uses simple English. Fruits, vegetables, prices, hello, thank you. Lucy believes daily activities help English learning. Simple places use simple language. Supermarkets are good places to learn. Lucy arrives home. She opens the door. She puts the groceries on the table. Lucy puts fruit in the fridge. She puts milk in the fridge. She puts bread on the shelf. Lucy looks at her kitchen. Now it is full again. She feels happy. Lucy sits down and rests. She takes a deep breath. She feels calm. Now think about Lucy. She went to the supermarket. She used simple English words. She stayed calm. She did not rush. Now think about you. You go to the supermarket too. You see food. You see prices. You hear words. You can learn English everywhere. You can learn English in daily life. You do not need hard study. You just need listening and practice. Now listen to some simple sentences. I go to the supermarket. I buy apples and bread. I pay at the checkout. I go home. These sentences are simple. These sentences are useful. You can use them. You can listen to this story again. You can listen tomorrow. Listening every day helps your English. Thank you for listening to Miss Lucy English Channel. You are doing very well. Be patient with yourself. Keep listening. Keep learning. Lucy will see you in the next Easy English story.